This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving spoons, specifically these plastic catering spoons. We have the black perforated spoon in the 11-inch length, and you can see it's got those great holes to help liquids drain. It's also available in a 13-inch length as well. We have the 2-ounce black spoon that has a 13-inch length, and these are great solid spoons for any time you need to keep that sauce contained. It's also available in a 1-ounce size that is 11 inches in length. The perforated spoons are great for messy foods or anything that needs to be strained or drained while being served. The solid ones are fantastic for items where you want to keep the sauce with those foods or any larger portions. These plastic spoons are break resistant, reusable, and dishwasher safe, making them a really versatile tool for caterers. They also feature a handy little notch on each side there so that they can rest on the rims of those serving dishes and hotel pans or whatever you've got them in, and keep them from slipping down, which is fantastic if you're going to be putting them out on buffets, at catered events, for the service of things like salads, side dishes, mains, or even desserts. They're dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup, and they're reusable, but they also make a fantastic disposable option. If you're doing catering and you're doing a lot of corporate events or meetings or things like that, where you're maybe sending prepared meals and you want those service tools to send with them, these are a great option that you don't need to worry about getting back. They're perfect for restaurants, hotels, catering companies, bakeries, cafes, or just for use at home at your next party.